Good morning from my closet here at the 215 Homestead. How's everybody doing? What am I doing in my closet? Check this out. This is another thing you gotta, when you're living in the province, that you deal with. Hang on. Humidity, fogging, when you go from an air-conditioned room to a warm climate right outside your door. That's not what I'm talking about. Check it out. I don't know if you can see. Let me see if I can twist that up. Right there. Ants. Ants. We got ants in our pants. Yeah. You run into this. I guarantee you, like yesterday, the ants weren't there. Apologize. They move. They're on a move. They're running here. They're running there. And they wanted to do a camp out overnight in my closet. So we'll wind up cleaning that out. But project. The tile project. How is that coming along? 98.9% completed. Let me show you here. You ready? They're laying grout. They've been laying grout this morning. So that's all being laid and then together dry. Then they'll move their way over here. The cleanup crew has begun. The cleaning project has begun. Wiping everything down, disinfecting everything. Check this out. I picked this up at the hardware store. Handyman. Apologize for the noise, but hey, hearing that means it's getting closer. Anyway, check it out. Check this out. Pine Sol. Pine Sol. Multi-surface clean and deodorant and kills 99.9% of the germs. And with that, I am not going to talk over the top of the grinder, so I'll be back. All right, the grinding has finally stopped. Be a little show through here. One bedroom here, completely done. All the tiles are laid. Grout is in place. So I'll get it painted. It's on the third project. We're on our first project. All the tile out here has been laid, except for the 1.1% that's not here. One tile there, a little bit. That'll be done real soon. The what do they call that? The cover, the face that they put on there, where the tile meets the concrete. There's a word for it. But yeah, looking good. It's looking good, and like I said, we should be done. Excuse me. At the end of the day, it will be done. And that cleanup crew is in next. This is the cleanup crew. All right, perfect timing here. Perfect timing. We got the broom guy. The broom guy showed up. Everybody's shopping for a broom. We have brooms and a dustpan, huh? Like this nice metal dustpan here. Little broom here. What's this made from?
Metal.
Huh?
Metal.
Not this. This.
Oh, this one here.
Yeah.
Asa nagihimo do? Unsay mid ani? Unsay mid ani? Unsa siya nga kuan? Kanang sa humay, sa tahiti. Don't call me what's sa tahiti because I don't know.
Tahitik.
Tahiti.
What's it on the island? Is it island?
No, it's made from Davao.
Davao. Oh, these come from Davao. He don't make these. He just sells these. Yeah. Well, I get it. Yeah, perfect timing. 180. 180. Buy one, take one.
80.
Buy one, take one. No. All right. 100% complete. Just a matter of wiping the tile down, moving things around, wiping things down, getting things ready. Well, here it is. It looks good. Looks good. Finally getting it back. Our little home back in order. 4.5, 5 days, something like that. Like I said, we'll be doing the walls, painting. That's not next on the project of list of things to get done. Next will be the doorways, putting new doors in here. All right. They didn't tile this for the simple reason this stairs coming up, even though I think it's cool. All right, we got to replace that. It ain't gonna last forever. So, but that'll be a different, completely different project. Like I said, everything's getting back in place. All these walls will be painted, skim coat paint, or I forget what they put on, some type of skim coat, and then the paint itself. This room is done, the tile floor is done. This is going to get a door. It's on our next project. Door jamb and door. Down here you do have a little gap there, but the door jamb will cover that up. But that turned out good in there. And the refrigerator is actually sitting level. It wasn't sitting level for a long time, but since they tiled and made the floor up, well, it's level now. That's sitting level. The gas stove, I got to put a shim up front. It's off a little bit, but we'll be getting a door in here for the bathroom, finishing that bathroom up in there. Of course, a door right here, the back door, two door frame and door. Cabinets are off. The doors are off right now because those tiles were just put in. They're still fresh. They still need to get laid, dry. All right, perverts. But there it is. Looks good. Right, looks good. Yeah. I said 4.5, 5 days. We're going to go with 5 days. All right. And it looks good. Everybody got a lunch. Everybody got a snack every day. Right, Miguel? I gave Miguel a cracker today for his snack. I said, that is your snack of the day.
That's my favorite part.
But it looks good. They did a good job, a real good job. Everything else, right here, eventually we'll have baseboard running through there, so that gap will be gone all the way down and around. All in time. Rome wasn't built in a day. And, well, I'm not a millionaire living in the province. All right, guys. Oh, yeah, the sun is shining today. Like Travis Tritt. It's a great day to be alive. I know the sun's still shining when I close my eyes. We are up here at the Handyman. Things have changed. Things have changed just like that overnight. We are not doing the door project next. We are going to be putting tile down at the sink area. Tile in the sink countertop area, everything like that. That's the next project. And tile the floor underneath the sink area. That's the next project. But anyways, here we are at the Handyman. They have two stores now. This is the old store, the old Handyman store. They still have things in there. That's okay. I gotta get in there. I need to get a regulator for my propane tank. And this is a new Handyman store here. So there's no music, so I can kind of show you around in the new Handyman. Guys, let me talk real quick, because they do have music playing. Hopefully I can get my voice over the music, but this is a nice display show area here. They have a machine right here that will be able to mix colors, whatever you want. They will have it. They have a little booklet full, but you guys see it. It's really nice in here. The other store it's small and it was compact, and now they have a lot of things through here. But check it out. They got doors here, cabinets here. They got door jambs here. Really nice store. Really nice store overall. Makitas, Lotus, your ladders. It's just quick. That's the best I can do for you guys. This is the older Handyman. It's still jammed up in here, but there is no music, so that is a positive thing. From doorknobs to kitchen supplies to bathroom supplies, washers in here, cups in here, lights in here, tools in here. This is I like this little store. Gardening supplies down through there, light bulbs through here, light bulbs through here. They did move it around. It was really jammed in here. It did make some space. But yeah, I like the Handyman. But you're paying handyman prices, all right? When you buy here at Handyman, you are paying the handyman price. But there's certain things that are of good quality that you want. You got to come here to get it. Some of these little mom and pop stores, they just don't have, even pets, a pet aisle here. They just don't have certain things down here. You always got to look down here. All right. Because sometimes they'll have American soaps and products and things. Mr. Muscle, that's big here. Pine Sol right there. Pine Sol, product of the USA. So what I mean, just little things like that you can find here. So, all right, now I need a regulator. Gotta find my regulator. All right, check this out. I got my first Christmas gift. All right, this one little store over here that I always go to, right there, where it says sale 150. I go there quite a bit for certain things, and he gave me a Christmas present. That was very nice of him. I don't know. He's Muslim. I've met he's one of, I think, 9 boys and 1 girl. And I've met his brothers. I've met his sister, nieces and nephews, because they're all there. It's a family business. And but yeah, they're Muslim. He goes to prayer every Friday. But yeah, I got to know him, and cool. My first Christmas gift here from a vendor in Dapa.
Wait a minute.
Most of these stores all through here, all the way down through here, are run by Muslims. Very friendly, very nice people. Always say hi. You don't need to be afraid of them because of their religion. But yeah, that was super nice of them. You got to go into Wieners. Oh, excuse. Here we are in Wieners. Everybody's Christmas shopping. You got a week or 2 left. Everybody's shopping. I am looking for this. Oh, there's look back there. I'll get to her in a second. We're looking for a tablecloth. But it's do I want what?
Gold.
Gold.
That's the mantle.
Oh, that's your colors back there.
4, 5, 6, 7.
I don't know. We'll have to go look at it. What color do you want?
I think it's
They only last. They last a couple months. You know,
gold is kind of.
it's not designed to last.
I was
Year
thinking
after year.
The second one, like gray.
I don't know. The one up top kind of looks Christmas.
Oh, yeah,
Find a
Christmas
Christmassy
theme.
one. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's
Yeah.
cool.
Here we are, Wieners. It's another one of our go-to stores for little things. This whole store is Chinese, Chinese. But hey, it serves people's needs.
Here you go.
It serves people's needs. All right, so here's what I'm talking about. Like I said, we had to move priorities around when it comes to projects here. We're going to tile the kitchen counter here. It's all going to get tiled all through here. You know how it is with how they do kitchen tiling and everything like that. Here's the issue. Here's the problem. We've had leaks underneath the sink. When you get these leaks underneath the sink, well, this is wood down here, right? This is wood. All that. So they're going to rip all that out. It's seeped over here. This has all got to be replaced and tiled, and the wood's got to be replaced. Simple fix, no big deal. I know somebody's going to yell and say, well, you should have tiled before you put in the counter. We're doing it our way. As long as we get to the finish line, we're doing it our way. So that's what I mean as far as the project. But the tile has turned out, once again, very nice. Very, very nice. Boy, they did a lot of major cleaning. But give you a little sweep through here. You can see the tile. Looks good. Looks good. And like I was saying earlier, we didn't tile this because we're going to replace the steps here. Once we replace the steps, then we'll tile this here, throw up some paint, and it's going to look like a mansion, right? Hey, your mansion is your mansion, my mansion is my mansion. So, all right, guys, with that being said, I got to go up and watch the second half of the Cowboys game. By the time you see this video, you will know if the Cowboys won or if they lost. And I will know if they won or if they lost. So how about them Cowboys, win or lose? I am a Cowboys fan, win or lose. I don't jump on and off a bandwagon like certain teams. All right.